This is just not the week to do a pick-me-up. Spring's starting soon. We'll restart everything in the spring. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. So it's been a sad evening. I found out that one of the patrons at the Legion, the bar I used to work at, passed away, and that's sad. And it also sad the doggy Titan that was in some of my past videos. I'll link one up here. He had to get put down because he got hit by a car. It's really sad. So not a great evening. Okay, I am off to the gym. I just woke up because I tried to go to bed early to wake up early, but then I woke up in the middle of the night and couldn't get back to sleep, and when I did go back to sleep, I slept late. But it is March 20th, it's Monday, and it is officially, according to my calendar anyway, you can't see the calendar, there it is the first day of spring. So let's spring into action, and we're going to do some follow me along vlog clips this week. That's the plan for Friday. See, right there. Spring begins. We are off to the gym again. Gonna do arms and chest, maybe a little back with some weightlifting. I'm just gonna do free weights. Yeah. Okay. It is Wednesday. 23rd? Maybe? 22nd. I just got back from the gym. I have my other gym things on underneath this. I had a killer leg and glute workout today, and I did not sleep very well. You can probably tell. I felt like what happened was I just laid there with my eyes closed all night and didn't actually get into that sleep stage. At least not for very long. I'm getting ready to, I twisted my arm weird when I sat, to take a shower. And there were like a trillion children at the rec. It must have been like the, like for kids who have who are in wheelchairs and who have Down syndrome. It must have been like their field day or field trip day. They were all over the rec center, which is fine. It was just usually when I go, there's usually nobody there. So to have it packed with people, I was like, ooh, pardon me. Oh, sorry. We've been offline as usual. I've been at this job for 6 months, and majority of it, I'm gonna say 4.5 months of it has been offline work. And I got another splinter in my foot. Look at the size of this thing. It hurt. And yes, it does look curved because it came out of one of the dips and divots. And it bent when it went into my foot. Gotta replace this floor. And yeah, so that's what's been happening. Thank goodness for slow days. I was so out of it. I took a sedative. I got home a little while ago. I took some ZzzQuil. I put on my moisturizer. And it's time for bed. Have a good night, everyone. I hope you're doing well. And if you're not, it'll get better soon. We got this. The yoga class that I was going to this semester is canceled today. It is Thursday. It feels like it took forever to get here this week. It's another gloomy, rainy, wet day. It's in the 50s though. And I am doing, this is Move with Nicole, and it's a Pilates. And she also has some yoga Lattes and stuff. So I'm just going to be working out at home today. Got my yoga mat on the floor. This is a really nice candle I got from Walmart. They've lasted forever. This one is Refresh. And I have another one called Relax that has lavender in it. So time to get our yoga on and Pilates and such. So here are some packages that I got from Ulta. I got one of the rose quartz face rollers. This is one of those microderm rollers. It has little mini needles on it, and it helps cause micro trauma to your skin to help refresh it. I got some more coffee scrub, which I love as an exfoliator. It does all of the things. It is so good. And I also got new bath salts. So this one is for attraction, and this one is for purification and cleansing for ritual baths. So I'm excited about those. And I was expecting this to be one of those really big, like massive rolls of paper, but I can probably work with this still for my purposes. I still have a couple packages coming, but here's what I have for right now. Woo! I have been, look at my knuckles. I've been cleaning on my hands and knees, scrubbing my area floor. It's only Thursday. So my knuckles are all red. And look at my poor knees. Very bruised and very sore. We have the cleanest factory floor ever because of me. And now I'm watching my friend play Resident Evil 4. So I'm going to get back to his stream. I'm resting for today. I'm very pale. I need to get like a tan of some kind. I'm playing some Animal Crossing, getting over it real fast. I'm watching the Gwyneth Paltrow case, and so far, I think that the Terry guy, the plaintiff who's trying to sue Gwyneth Paltrow, I think he's just trying to get money. Because he, like, in the same sentence, he's like, she knocked me out from behind. They're on a ski slope in ski gear. So, how did he know who she was? But he was like, he identified her as the person who crashed into him from behind, and he was knocked out, blacked out for 5 to 10 minutes. And then he also said that her and the ski instructor with her just skied away and didn't attempt to get him aid. And that she was skiing out of control beyond her abilities. How do you know what her abilities are if you don't know who she is? And how do you know that they just skied away? How do you know what they did afterwards if you were knocked out? And he's trying to keep out supposed GoPro footage he doesn't want in. He doesn't want his bad acts, including sexual harassment and other harassment things, to come up in the court, like prior bad acts. And he doesn't want the instructor, who he claimed that the instructor didn't see the incident, but then later on said that the instructor saw the incident and didn't do anything about it. How do you know what the instructor saw or didn't see? And how do you know there was an instructor there if supposedly they were behind you and you were skiing downhill and then she crashed into you? I think it's a bunch of baloney. But that is it for my boring week. When you work 40 hours at a factory, you just don't have a good life. That's just the nature of it. That's why everyone's always like, why doesn't anyone want to go into manufacturing? Because it sucks. That's why. Okay, I will see you all later. I hope that your things are going better, and we can all look forward to a better future and just keep plowing through. We got this.